Alright dudes, yo, this is Mavi 2099, and what I have here are the nicest books in my Dark Tower, Stephen King Dark Tower collection. The nicest being third printing of the Gunslinger, a couple other copies of the Gunslinger that were worth like 50 to 75 bucks. One of the rare trade paperbacks that was worth like 50 bucks 10 years ago. The Wasteland's first printing, I don't know, 75, 100 bucks. And the Drawing of the Three was at like $50 to $75 book, maybe now, I don't know. Prices fluctuate. So I have a Dark Tower collection. I shot the rest of the books. Let's look at that tote real quick. Here they are. I've shot all these books. I have a bolt holster them. I did other videos. And he said, the Confederate flag flying over the state capitol is disgusting, but it's a sidetrack. The real problem comes from 30-shot clips. I think everybody should have 30-shot clips. Well, in fact, what do we have here? We have a 50-shot clip, Ruger-Zine. We have a 30-shot Glock-Zine clip. And we have a 20-shot Pro Mag Sigazine. What are we going to do here? We're going to demonstrate these massive capacity, massive shot clips versus my most valuable Stephen King Dark Tower books. We're going to annihilate them. Then if you want, I might put them on my web store and sell them. First book we're going to waste is The Wastelands. Great book. This is first printing. Got a little beat up in the travel over here. It was in pretty good shape. We're going to take it out with a 50-shot clip, a Ruger-Zine. Ruger 1022. I'm actually increasing value. I should sell this for 500 bucks. Okay, dudes, this is my 50-shot Ruger clip and one of my Ruger 1022s. Let's see what kind of devastatingly crazy damage it'll do to this Stephen King book. Hashtag I'm unloading. Well, that was the first 25-shot clip. Okay, so this is a BX 25 times 2. It's basically two 25-shot clips connected, and there's no reason you shouldn't have this. Ugh, get wrecked, nerd. This one might be too right. This one's probably gonna have to go in the garbage. We totally wrecked this book. Get wrecked, nerd. As you can see, this thing got wrecked by that 50-shot clip. You're done, dude. I don't think that's salvageable. That's probably gonna go in the garbage. If anybody actually wants it, let me know, or I'm gonna throw it away. What we have here is the Drawing of the Three. It's probably first printing. It has like cool pictures and stuff. I have 3 of them. I don't know why. I think I got good deals somehow, some way, long ass time ago. So we're gonna put one shot in each of these, probably try to sell those, and then we're just gonna unload the rest of the clip into book 3. So let's do that. As you can see, we have a Glock 19, one of the most famous guns on YouTube, and a 30-round Glock-Zine with a +2 base plate. All right, let's wreck these two real quick. Did more damage than I anticipated because of how point-blank range. You're like, oh, he has a gun. If anybody actually wants these, I'll keep them, otherwise I'll throw them away because they're pretty messed up. So let's totally wreck this copy of the Drawing of the Three. It's like a $75 collectible book. This book is totally freaking wrecked. Let's see how many round of zines we have left. 11, 12, something like that. Get wrecked, nerd. Wrecked the shit out of this book. This was like an $80 book or something, but we don't need it anymore. Damn, son. Damn, son. It made a perfect ballistics medium. If anybody wants this stuff, I might, try to save part of the dust jacket or whatever. If anybody wants anything, let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to throw it away. Okay, so what we have here is the Saiga 12 shotgun and the Gunslinger. This is the original. This is the third printing. This is like a $125 book. First printings of the revised edition are like $50 to $75 or so. And the trade paperback there, which is one of the somewhat rare versions. It was worth a little bit back in the day. Who knows what it goes for now. I don't really care. So we're going to totally annihilate this thing. We're going to wreck this thing to smithereens. So we have the Saiga 12, which is an AK Kalashnikov pattern shotgun, 12 gauge AK-47, semi-automatic with a 20-shot drum clip. When I talk about Saiga conversions, people are like, you converted the caliber? What do they have, quick change barrels? No. When the conversion means like pistol grip conversion, they come import legal, which they're called sporter rifles. Let's flawlessly wreck those 3 and then just annihilate this one to smithereens. I mean, this is weaker than the stuff Dick Cheney shot his bro in the face with, but it looks cool on camera. Get wrecked! Get wrecked! The other one fell down. He's trying to escape. Get wrecked! At point blank, the shotgun just ripped a hole right through him. That's amazing. Actually, this one is really cool. This might be a good collectible piece. I'll sign that one. So this is the finale. This is like a legit rare book, somewhat. 3rd printing of The Gunslinger, which is a really cool book. So let's flawlessly wreck this fool. Get wrecked! Wow, I took out the Gunslinger. That was an excellent shot. Well, there's our 20-shot drum clip is empty. That sucks. Well, that's all that's left of the Gunslinger. I have hashtag unloaded, divested myself of the Dark Tower series. Another Mavi 2099 video out. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching, and if you made it this far, I would love to hear what you have to say in the form of a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video and tell me what other types of videos you would like to see. And if you want to drop a like or a dislike, that's also huge, and I would appreciate it. Thank you, and Matt B out.
Break yourself, fool! Get wrecked! Get wrecked, nerd! Get wrecked! Get wrecked!